Alright, so I got the vase all done and mounted to the base plate, waiting for the plaque to get back from the engraver. I got 5 coats of clear on the base and 6 coats of clear on the hummingbird. And that mounts right in the center there. I polished up the leading edges of the wing and then engraved them with little tiny feathers like the hummingbirds have. Same as the tail feather area. But at this time, in the comments, if you can put down below what you would like to see on the next build. My buddy came by and recommended a scorpion with wings, so hey, who knows, let your imagination fly. The more suggestions I get, the more ideas it's gonna let me be creative on what I build. So I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned.